The carambola fruit, or often called star fruit, due to its shape, originates from the Malayan Peninsula, and is also grown in the southern United States, Southeast Asia, the Caribbean and Latin America. This fruit is yellow in color when ripe, and its taste is a mixture of sweet and sour, and resembles the flavors of grapes, pear, and citrus fruits. This combination makes it unique and popular among people. However, despite its specific taste, the carambola fruit also provides amazing health benefits. It is very low in calories, only 31 in 100 grams, and is high in antioxidants, vitamins C and B, riboflavin, folate, niacin and minerals such as calcium, manganese, iron, zinc, and potassium. These are some of the incredible health benefits of this fruit. Regulates hypertension. Sodium is the strongest weapon against blood pressure, and the star fruit is low in it, but contains high amounts of potassium, which regulates blood pressure. The regular consumption of this fruit will treat hypertension. Lowers cholesterol. Due to the high fiber content, the carambola fruit promotes heart health, and reduces the levels of bad cholesterol. Bad cholesterol leads to clogged arteries, and thus causes heart attacks. On the other hand, the consumption of the star fruit will increase the HDL levels or good cholesterol. Strengthens the immune system. This fruit is rich in vitamin C, which strengthens immunity and prevents various viral diseases, like common colds, influenza, and the like. Improves sleep and treats insomnia. Magnesium is extremely helpful in the case of insomnia and disturbed night sleep, and the carambola fruit is high in this mineral. Hence, its consumption will help you improve sleep and get the proper rest. Helps digestion. The fiber in the star fruit improves digestion, as it clears the intestines, and bounds high amounts of water, fighting constipation. Its consumption after heavy meals will improve digestion, and prevent digestive issues. It is beneficial for the skin. This fruit promotes skin health due to the high flavonoid content. It also prevents diseases like atopic dermatitis and psoriasis, and the zinc in it treats acne. Proper fetus development. The carambola fruit is rich in folic acid, or vitamin B9, which is extremely useful in the case of pregnancy. The folic acid is vital during the first months of gestation, and it is essential for the healthy development of the neural tube, and the brain of the baby. Its regular consumption after the delivery aids the formation of breast milk. Controls diabetes. This fruit is amazing for diabetics as it is low in sugar. Moreover, the fiber in it will balance the blood sugar levels during the day, as it will prevent fast glucose absorption from the gut. It has antimicrobial action. Studies have shown that this fruit effectively fights infections caused by E. coli, like Staphylococcus aureus, Salmonella, Pseudomonas aeruginosa and Klebsiella. Improves eye health. Since it is rich in vitamin A, this fruit improves the health of the eyes. Note: despite its numerous health benefits, this fruit should not be consumed in the case of kidney diseases, kidney dialysis, or kidney failure, as it is high in oxalic acid and carambola. If taken in these cases, it may cause confusion, nausea, and vomiting. Also, you should consume it carefully if you take medications like opiates, statins, or benzodiazepines, as it contains substances which may interfere with these drugs, similarly to grapefruit.